One of you challenged me to build a gaming console small enough to fit on a keychain. I'm not sure this will work, but let's try.
Here we go again.
To bring this tiny console to life, we need a brain. There are a lot of brains available, so I choose the ESP32C6. Compact, powerful, and with just enough memory to handle simple game graphics without breaking a sweat. For the display, I'm using this tiny monochrome OLED, small, sharp, perfect for retro style gameplay. Then I grabbed a push button, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. That's it. No fancy hardware, just the essentials. Now we are ready for the prototyping. It's super simple, just throw some wire here and there, and boom, magical project. I'm kidding, please don't do that. The connections are done. Here's the schematics in case you want to build one yourself. With the hardware ready, it's time for the fun part, the code. I want to create a one-button game because of the small size. There are a ton of options out there, but we decided to recreate a classic Flappy Bird. Simple mechanics, addictive play, perfect for a single button. After about 3-4 hours of coding, tweaking physics, and adjusting the timing, it finally worked. And seeing that tiny bird flap across a screen this small, totally worth it. But we can't put this thing into a keychain, right? So I designed a tiny custom PCB board and ordered it from GLC PCB. They provide high quality PCBs at very affordable price, like I get these 5 pieces for just $2. And they support everything from simple 2-layer boards to complex multi-layer design. Their ordering process is super simple, just upload your Gerber file, choose the specs, and you're done. Okay, now everything is ready, let's complete the build. It's pretty simple, you just have to place the parts on their designated spot. I have also added a small battery as the ESP32C6 comes with a built-in charging module which will make it portable. So finally guys, the project is complete, but before final reveal and power up, a quick shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. If you're a student and want to learn how to design your own electronics from start to finish, the Altium Student Lab gives you free access to professional design software. You can create schematics, design PCB layout, and learn how real PCB boards are made. They also provide step-by-step lessons and hands-on projects, so you are actually building while learning. And the best part, it's completely free for the students. After completing the course, you will earn an industry-recognized certificate that would be great for your portfolio. If you're serious about your electronic career, click the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. Alright, coming back to the build, let's power it up. And there it is. It's working smoothly, and just look at the size. Looks very small in my hands. I also added a small notch so we can hang it on a keychain. You can carry it anywhere or use it as a little fidget device. What do you think about this project? Let me know in the comments. That's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.